People, big up on yourself, you know, big up on yourselves. Zayn with the pane, he tried again. And we are driver and whistle, you see it? Alright, so today in the driver and whistle segment, now we are talking about, we are delving a little topic. How when the last time we hear about Koffee? Once the young sensation, Koffee. Now, the last time me know she did a performance, I know somebody like when me a follow like that still, but I'm a big singer. I mean I follow her progressing as it relates to that. But the last time me remember she performed at a stage show in a Grand Cayman, and it was called, what it called again? Oh Christ. Capella. Yeah man. So you'd have I think you'd have Damian Marley. No, I never Damian Marley then. Leon Rhymes, Koffee, Wycliffe John. Yeah man, them people. But you know she did burst up big and they promised the dip on her hard. But I not say it died down, you know. It's just how we not hear from her as how she da go on, and you know say she a big songwriter. She have a very, very lovely and a big voice, and she know if you find hit songs. I wanna know Koffee. Well, me not talk you wanna your brew and drink. And the singer with the K. She sings. She sings Toast. She sings Rapture. She sings Where Do We Go? She's yeah. You see it? So she have some whole heap of songs on her belt. But when we talk about why in my eyes now why she sort of die out in the space right now. Because as I say, she not gone. It's just that she not there as where she was before. Because well that talk, as I say I drive and whistle. Alright, so from Koffee a bus now, you know, we'd have a way how she dress. And a lot of people never too like how she dress. The people that say she dress manly are masculine. You understand, in them bad 80s or 90s type of youngster pants there with some mesh marina. Where Spanglers they used to beat. Yeah man, some mesh marina with the Rasta color them. And you know, people are say she a Rasta and she do better and them thing there. So them say she align, you know, people are say she align with the LGBT community, LGBTQPS community. You understand? So because of that now a lot of people are getting some fight. You know, notable man like her, Foota, you know, I burn some serious fire upon her. And then, you know, I say, boy, she fi top sing and she fi go about her business and she fi love reggae music. Because reggae music, righteous music, Rasta music, and yeah, all of them sitting there. I saw, you know, I saw the streets, I say. You understand me? But Koffee really and truly never say she a Rasta. As far as me didn't know, she was a pescatarian. I hope me I call the word right. And pescatarian are people we not to deal with like pastries and them things there. She never used to eat meat and them things there. But the last interview me see with her, what she talk about, she start eat meat, all pork she eat. You see me? So she just show how much she's not a Rastafarian. Zayn, she never identify herself as she sing reggae. But the thing we know where cause a lot of people amongst like fear culture, right? The Jamaican culture, where they go, she rub them in her way now. Is when she did that song with a guy that name now, Sam Smith. Oh God. Huh? Hold on. Okay. I'm a seatbelt, but I show some things in it. My things. Yeah, tapping nice, man. Hold on. Some things in my seatbelt, but That makes so much. Hold on a little, man. You're not going to interrupt my little interview, you know. Go so. Seatbelt on. Nobody know when I see it. So I just because I have two things in there we have weight. And from me have little weight in it, the seatbelt sensor got chip in. So get that out of the way. Alright, what may I say? Back to what may I say again. So she go sing a song. Hey, might not let me know. I do, man. She go sing the song with Sam Smith. Gimme. I don't even know if I saw a song. So you know, say, alright, if you watch that video there now, it is a clear song where I like the the LGTBQ plus community. So you need to highlight them mostly. And you know, people are say, boy, I rub this now if you Koffee because you know, say I say Rasta and you say this and Rasta not say them things and you know, she not get no forward. She get some serious fire from a Jamaican, you know, public them. So boy, you know, she sell out wicked. And them I say, boy, they use she as for her agenda. And it come like it's a career suicide she take this up because you know, say as Koffee is a Jamaican, she want to perform in front of a crowd. So because she got do that now, you know, say in her back already, she go say, boy, ratted. You know, say if me go perform a some face or never mention Rebel Salute. She can't perform this. I don't think she can perform this. But talking about Sting and some face, she go say, boy, people more bore. You see me, I saw me preach still now because me I say if you when you do them something now, you know, say me not have to ask if she not get a lot of money if you do that song there. You see me, a whole heap of money she get for do it. But knowing your culture, as me says, is a career suicide. Your thing said like when you do that now, you are going, you know, perform back in front of your crowd and get the same forward where you did get when you start sing toast and rapture and them song. No, and I said people don't love her same, you know, because I still love Koffee, you know. Koffee and my girl, you know. You see me? But we are talking about culturally or culture-wise. She get a lot of backlashes. And because of that now, I think of that we start to subside her and make she not too depend the Jamaican scene much. You understand me? Yeah, so that's my basis of my argument. That is why I think she go down there so. But here a trick we Koffee miss from Jamaican public. Stand by there. Hey, Martin, man. Yeah, replenish your body. Alright, so here a thing where Koffee miss, you know. Koffee, you see Jamaican culture. Jamaican culture now is set away. If you're soft, you get bullied down. You have a militant. You say if you do you're sitting wrong at Jamaica and you do it sneakily, you get burned. If you do something right at Jamaica and do it sneakily, you get burned. So Jamaica not like wimp. Jamaica stand up for the bad man them. Jamaica stand up for the rough people them, the militancy. And we can give some example of that. And it's not necessarily bad people me I talk about. I talk about militant people. Look on Bounty. You see a street love Bounty? You can't take Bounty for idiot. Bounty rough and Bounty will tell you about the parts of your body faster than what another one doctor then. You see me? Yeah, he must tell you what time it is quick. You understand? Can't tell her one of them, but you know them they are prison still. Shaggy them, the whole of them people are some militant set of people. And Jamaican people are going to embrace them. Spice them. Alright, Mrs. Spice do an interview the other day. The same one with Nightle Fix, or the Fix. And Nara asks her, I don't know if Nara Irie, ask her, say, watch her. Who do you perform again for the LGTBQ plus society? Because she did perform for them already. And she said, yeah, she not no problem with them. You know hear nobody come forward and say, boy, Spice sell out and Spice this and nobody. You not hear say so. Why? Because Spice a militant somebody. And if Spice a do X, she say she do X. And nobody can rush her for it. Lila Ike, where them in a run down and say, boy, Lila Ike and this already Ike and it. And them a pressure, when I tell Foota a pressure wickedly. And she go up and couple live and tell Foota push part time body if you go free ground. You know hear not more upon that again. But Koffee now, to our discredit now, Koffee now flashback. Koffee are easy because she has a boy she a whole of humbleness. But that personality they don't really fit too much in a Jamaican culture if you want to survive, you know. You understand me I say? And that's right there. So when me I say about Koffee now, Koffee you have your future, you have your career. See? Ahead of you. You don't make some little foolishness get you down. You have your choice to make. You do what you do. Perform your music and make people know what time it is. You can't go down with that the challenge the way you have. You have such a beautiful voice and you have such a beautiful talent and you have a lovable character. Don't just go down, so you choose what you do. You understand? Some move where you make another necessarily me agree or disagree with it. But a your choice. And you have to make people know say your choice. Saying you know go underground because some people are burn you out. Because I just saw it go. You have some people, you offend them and they hold it, and you have some people, them are going to voice them opinion. So Foota voice them opinion. And hold it more people voice their opinion about you. But watch out, if you are going to live your life and people opinion, you're not making it further. I'm not saying you're not making it no further. So you want to brush off yourself and push out here, sir. Yeah, man. Big man thing. But anyway, I want to know nothing about it still, you know. So, as I say, I go drive and whistle, so I go done drive now and I go done whistle. So I want to know nothing. I tried, you know. Tried along. So I do quick this. Out.